Hey Threadheads, welcome back to another episode. I'm not going to be tying a fly today, but I just thought I'd give you a heads up on a free promotion that I'm giving away. I'm just switching over my shop right now from a WordPress to a Shopify based store. And I'm sure a lot of you remember me talking at one point about this Streamers 365. So that's a project that I did back in 2012 where we posted a streamer every day, and I did a photograph, I did the fly recipe, and a little write-up about each of the flies. So I had about more than 50 fly tires, streamer tires in particular, from around the world. They all submitted flies, patterns for me to use in the project. So I compiled everything and put it into 3 different volumes of the book. So this is volume 1 here. So the promotion that we're doing is we're giving away digital copies of all 3 of the books. So Streamers 365 Volume 1, 2, and 3. All you need to do, I'll put a link down below, a link to the shop and the books, and you can just add all 3 into your cart, and then you just use a coupon code at the checkout, and they'll all be free for the first 100 customers. So the coupon code that you're going to be using is MAR19YT, and I'll add that in the description below as well. And just make sure you use that, and that's great. If you do want to pay for the books or for the digital copies, they're only $5 a piece. So that's about all we've got for today. Hopefully we'll get some more fly tying patterns in the coming days. We're just on spring break right now, so I've got Kaiser Jack at home, and hopefully at the end of the week or perhaps even next week we should have some more fly tying patterns. Alright, thanks guys, we'll see you in the next one. Hey fly tyers, thanks for stopping by and checking out my fly tying videos. If you enjoyed the video and want to show your support, hit the thumbs up and share it to your social networks. I hope you consider subscribing to the channel, and if you do, be sure to hit the bell icon to get notifications on my latest fly patterns, tips, and reviews. If you have a question or comment, leave a message below. You'll also be entered into the next draw for some of the flies I tie and a few stickers. Until next time, this is Darren saying, keep a hook in your vise. Cheers.